This is red oil and salt. Add it egg, raw native egg. If you do not have raw native egg, you can add it raw egg, any egg that you can lay your hands on. This is for those of us who don't stay in environment. You can be able to get native egg. You can use any raw egg that you have. One of the easiest ways you can communicate with your chi or your spiritual forces is through these means. How do you communicate with them? Through these means. This is the easiest way you can calm down any angry spirit, any spirit that is angry with you. Because most of us, the reason why your blessings are not coming forth, the reason your blessings are not manifesting is because most or some of your spiritual forces are not happy with you. And when your spiritual forces or energies are not happy with you, what will happen? Your blessings will not be manifesting. Everything you are doing in this life will be scattering. Spiritually, you will not be getting yourself. You will just be like an empty vessel walking around. So, your constant using of egg and salt and oil can take you a long way, even if you don't have money. Now that we are in midweek, especially this month, now that this month is about to end, make sure that once in a while you do this practice. It's going to help you a lot. So many of us are walking around with so much negative energies. How can you be walking around with negative energies and you are there blaming yourself that your blessings are not manifesting? This is one of the way you can calm down any angry forces or any of your angry energies around you. This is also one of the ways you can remove so many negativities around you. How do you do this? Just get me these things that I mentioned here. When you are doing it, make sure you are standing barefooted. Make sure you are standing barefooted. I know so many people will begin to ask me, what is the best time to do it, or when is the best time to do it? You can do it practically any time of your choice at your own convenient time. Make sure you do it barefooted. Get me this egg, get me an egg. Put it in any plate you have, because it must not be white plate. Add it red oil, add it salt. Now, hold the egg on your right hand. For those people that are lefties, because we know that there are people that are lefties, you can use your lefty. Hold the egg on your hand. Now begin to say, mention your name 4 times. That you are so and so person from so and so places. That you are calling on your forces, on your spiritual guides, any energy, any forces that is angry with you, that you are calming down all the angry spirits following you, that you are calming them down. Do you understand? As you are saying, as you are manifesting those words, you will be turning that egg you are holding inside that red oil. You will be rolling it inside there. Then after everything, you go outside your gate or outside your compound. You go and break that egg. As you are breaking that egg, you will be manifesting that as you are breaking the egg, you are breaking every negativity around you. You are breaking any spirit that is angry with you. That as you smash this egg, that you are smashing all those angers coming towards you. Anything that is blocking your way, that as you are smashing the egg, you are smashing all of them. As you're about to break that egg, make sure you throw it hard so that that egg will be able to break. Don't forget to do this. It's going to help you a lot. Don't also forget to ask me questions if you have any questions to ask me. Adandubo is my name. Thank you for following me up.